Can Bitcoin replace gold as a crisis investment? I was on the Robinhood platform and I decided to buy some crypto, so I was on there buying some crypto, practically what I said. I like to diversify. Gold is not the only thing I buy with my money. But I was on there and I was reading some of the news that Bitcoin had, and I saw that title, Can Gold Be Replaced by Bitcoin? And to be honest with you, I was surprised to see something like that. So I wrote down some of the key points and I wanted to give you guys some of my thoughts on it and hey, possibly answer the question, hey, can gold be replaced by Bitcoin? So thank you guys for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and better wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Let me know, do you guys think that crypto can replace gold in the near future? You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter, Urban Lifestyle 1989. Links are also found in the description below, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go.
I'm working for work, and grind. Working for work.
Yeah, man, can you believe it? Gold being replaced by Bitcoin? Come on.
Yeah, man, I don't believe it.
Huh?
But you know, this is not a real conversation, right?
What do you mean?
I mean, you're on a PS4 controller.
I am?
Yeah.
How? I'll call you back.
All right.
They went as far as saying that cryptocurrency is digital gold. It's good to see that they put gold at such a high standard that they had to name something in the form of the original. It's like saying, hey, who's stronger, the Hulk or Superman? Hey, who's stronger, Goku or Superman? Hey, who's stronger, Thor or Superman? If you're a fan of comic book characters, you know all the superheroes that are strong. To prove their strength has been pinned against Superman. Because Superman is the go-to when it comes to top-notch strength and overall of heroism. Or whatever. So I'm pretty sure whenever they made fiat currency, there was like, yeah, you know, we can stack this. This is gonna be the paper of gold. Oh man, we found oil. We're gonna call this the liquid gold. Everything that has value is compared to or called in some way, shape, or form gold. To show you how strong gold is. Now the article then went on to say that Bitcoin is recognized across all borders. That's true. That's true. Bitcoin is recognized across all borders. Everyone knows what Bitcoin is. And if you don't know what Bitcoin is, I'm pretty sure you know what gold is. Gold is not just across all borders, it's under the earth. And I'm pretty sure any planet shaped like this have gold as well. So you can say it's universal. But at the same time, both have an astounding track record. Let's see. Bitcoin has about 10 years under his belt. Gold has about 5 years under his belt.
No,
What?
Nah, bro, that's wrong.
It's not 5?
Yeah, it's not 5. It's
Oh,
5,000.
you said 5,000?
5,000.
They also said it can be held anonymously. Now, I do know this is gonna sound a bit weird, but I hold my gold anonymously too. Nobody knows I have gold besides people on YouTube. There's tons of people that's watching this video right now, and no one knows if they have gold. And then it finishes off by saying that gold needs to be held in a safe, while Bitcoin are kept on computers and a piece of paper through codes. So Bitcoin is held on a piece of paper. Dang, that sounds so familiar. Where have I heard that before? I don't know. I've heard that somewhere before. Let's see, something of value being printed on or wrote on a piece of paper. It doesn't come to mind. But I bet you whatever it is, there's no history of it crashing down to zero whatsoever. Now, don't get me wrong, you may be looking at this video and be like, hey, he's anti-Bitcoin. I started off the video by saying, hey, I'm buying Bitcoin. I like to diversify. I have no problem with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is all good with me. But I have nothing against Bitcoin. Like I said, I own some. Well, I can't even say I own some, because it's at $6,000 right now. I don't own one, but I own like a percentage, a very small, finite percentage of it. My problem is not with Bitcoin. My problem is saying that it's gonna replace gold. And hey, I may be wrong. If you guys are watching this in the future and it has surpassed or became the next gold, comment down, let me know. I could be wrong. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. And they say LeBron could be the next Michael Jordan.
That's why I work and grind.